Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Yamaha ATS-1080 soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with the soundbar not connecting to the Wi-Fi or not pairing or syncing with your devices, or if it keeps disconnecting, is giving you weird sounds, is not working in any kind of way, a hard reset can fix a lot of these things. But you will need to set it up again because everything will be wiped off of it, all the pairing history and everything. And that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you are trying to set this up in a new network or just in a new situation and you want to have a fresh start, like you just took it out of the box new, we can go ahead and do this, and it's very easy to do. All you need to do is, first of all, turn your soundbar off. And now with power connected to your soundbar, you're going to come in and you're going to find the mute button, which is right here. And you're going to press and hold the mute button. And then while you're pressing and holding the mute button, then we're going to come over and press and hold the power button until the power bar lights up, powers up. And you'll see all of these indicator lights will all flash simultaneously, indicating that the soundbar is resetting.